Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the best DoorDash promo codes with you. Let's get started. To grab your DoorDash promo code, the first thing you need to do is open your preferred browser. In the search bar, simply type in DoorDash coupon code. You'll find a variety of websites offering different promo codes for DoorDash. You can click on any of the websites that appear in your search results. Once on the site, you'll find a variety of promo codes and coupons for DoorDash. You may also get the option to enter your email address and subscribe to DoorDash, so you never miss out on any future promo codes or special offers. Simply click on the promo code or coupon code of your choice. Then, you can either tap Copy to save it for later or Redeem at DoorDash to use it instantly. You'll be redirected to the official DoorDash website or the DoorDash app, where you can apply the code to your order. To use the promo code, simply make a purchase on DoorDash and apply the code during checkout. And that's basically all you need to know about DoorDash promo codes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.